What's up, players, traders, haters, apes, retail investors, the whole gang? How y'all doing? Welcome back. This is D's Daily DD, and it's your boy D. I'm always start off by saying this is never financial advice. Don't take it as that. Take it for educational and entertainment purposes only. Correct. All right. So, they are painting the house right now. So if you hear background noise, I do apologize. There might be some bangs, going on. Can't control that right now, but there is some things that I want to get off my chest, and we're gonna start off with it's gonna be a quick, easy video. I'm not gonna really get too much into the data or nothing like that. What I really want to say has to do with the main difference between the CEOs, the CEO of GNS and the CEO of AMC. I am pretty disappointed now after looking at, a different way of handling things, especially like with Aron. He's kind of quiet. I'm gonna give you some examples right now. The way he decides to go about the whole, AMC ape situation and the naked short selling allegedly, right? All the spoofing, all the corruption, all the things that go on within the market. And then you see, this guy over here, the CEO of GNS, who is, taking action, and he's just completely putting it out there in the public and trying to get people behind him, because of what he has seen too, with not only with his stock but with other stocks in the market. So it's just very, very enlightening. It's just very eye-opening. How come, I think we're gonna have to start putting a lot more pressure on our own CEO, because we need answers, right? If the shareholders are asking you and telling you that we have suspicion of things that are going on, with the stock, then he should be listening to us, in my opinion, right? He should be, you know, if he talks to us so much, if he cares about us so much, why does a lot of times he just chooses to ignore us, not to, comment on what we are telling him that we want to see from him and things, or actions? Because it's just crazy, right? Like this stock of GNS is up. Let's see. Let's check right now. It is up 288% for the day. The market just closed. I'm looking at my phone right here with the volume of 247 million, right? Volume is the buying and selling for the day. Luckily I got in. I got a nice, dip right there. I took a quick swing at it, and because I saw the volume coming in, and I was doing my DD last night, and I was looking at it, where I was like, wow, the free float is only 10 million shares, and then the CEO has been constantly, in the public eye, talking about what he's about to do and the actions he's about to take. So he put out, the information, and that's what I'm going to show you guys for the rest of the video. But I think the apes need to start, asking Adam Aaron a little, for more answers. We need answers. There's been 2 years of, just waiting and buying and holding and whatnot. But come on, I mean, I know, and I'm not getting into the super detail. I'm not comparing, AMC and JNS with like the free float and all that. I mean, that's a whole different thing. What I'm really trying to get at is what the hell is going on with CEO Adam, that, he decides to kind of play in the gray area, and it's never really clear what he is saying. Okay, let me just show you some things over here. Let's switch up the screen. So here, yeah, here we go. Here's the news that I think why this stock exploded in the morning. GNS. Today we launched the Illegal Trading Task Force, led by Timothy Murphy. Sorry, Genius Corp Group Director and former Deputy Director of the FBI. This is one of the series of actions that GNS, the board, has voted to fight naked shorts. More steps in the comments below. So maybe, if people don't like West Christian, that's fine, right? We need to do something with AMC, then why not hire this guy too, Timothy Murphy, right? And shout out to Roger James Hamilton. He's the one who took action, is taking action, and continues to put pressure on the shorts because he sees fraud, right? He sees, in his opinion, what he thinks needs to be fixed and is not right. So they hired this ex FBI official, and they're going to investigate illegal trading of the stock and they're going to pay a special dividend. So he has a whole plan. He has a whole thing that he's got going on. Lots of man, what's going on with that? I don't know what that is. Sorry, guys. Let's go back to over here, right? See, and the difference now. Look, Adam Aaron is just tweeting pictures of popcorn, and if everything's in code and whatnot, it's not, the best way. I think the best way, what put fear in these short sellers, it was the action, right? The legal action, the legal action that he wants to take. hiring people that can investigate and have the tools to get to them, right? And what happened? You see the stock just go absolutely parabolic. Now, I got in, in the morning and I saw it coming up to the CMA, so I got out and I made a quick profit, and we'll see what happens here. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell or nothing. It's just I was doing some research last night, and that's why I decided to play it when I saw that volume, and when I saw that it only had 10 million shares, I was like, okay, this thing has a potential to really move, and it happened a lot sooner than I thought because I was actually thinking it would take a couple weeks or so, right? But it happened today, and we just played the swing play there. So that's the goal of the channel, is just to give you, the tools, like the information, and then, once you build that skill set, you can yourself, right, go make your own decisions and choose your stocks and trade how you want to trade in the markets. But yeah, that's the main difference right now, guys. That's just the message of the video. Look at the main difference, right? So CEO Adam right here, just, tweeting in code or whatever, but no legal action for 2 years now, even though the shareholders have been screaming, right? And real quick, like on ape on 12/27, there's 10 million again, fails to deliver, right? So why do we continue to see the stock suppressed? Because they're not delivering the shares. Okay, when you have this many FTDs on one stock, that's absolutely ridiculous, right? And then AMC constantly, when Adam Aron, right, was saying he was going to take care, he was going to look into it or whatever, for months ago, he said he was going to see what's going on, and still, to these trading days, we have data right here showing us, look at all his FTDs. Why does our share price continue to stay low, even though the cost to borrow is insane, right? We know all of that information. But if what happened with GNS, this crazy volume pump, this crazy run, that would have happened with AMC, the squeeze would have been on, guys. Like, this seems like a lot of lost money right now. See, look at all this open interest. These are the strikes, 10, 11. This thing would have gone absolutely insane, right? If we would have been able to continue to push up and get these calls in the money, if we would have, had Adam Aron say, hey, I'm going to join these guys in the legal action, right? Because I'm pretty sure the CEO of GNS has invited multiple CEOs. I think he was one of them, I'm pretty sure. And he said, if anybody wants to join, the more the merrier. And that would have absolutely caused a nasty gamma squeeze, and then maybe a short squeeze, the following week. But now, where are we doing? We're sitting trying to battle at $5-6 again, right? With the 113% cost to borrow. Right now, we currently have 38,000 calls in the money. Now, we can still absolutely explode tomorrow. Maybe it'll pull a GNS tomorrow, but nothing's guaranteed. And unless we see some new action from Adam Aron, I mean, to me, the proof is that, what scares the shorts is when the CEOs start saying, I'm going to start investigating. I'm going to hire, the right people to investigate. But, it's just my opinion, guys. That's what I'm thinking. Just wanted to come in and show you guys, we'll update you with what's going on and just kind of show you what I'm looking at. Okay, so hope you have a good rest of your day. Hopefully you took advantage of the volatility today and you made some money. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.